Swaminarayan. Myself Kumudini Nalade, Atmiya Green School, Standard 5th, subject Maths. Now we are studying new chapter Geometry. So we have studied about the line segment, then ray. We are not study, but let's get a recap. Fine. Then we study about the angle. Now in this exercise 7.1 we are solving about the angle. So first question is completed. So let's see the second question. Name as many angles as you can in this figure. Okay. So let's see here. X, not X, it is UXV. Can you see this angle? See to my cursor, okay? Just see cursor. U, X and V. Get it? Next. U, X, W. Okay? Next. V, X, W. Okay? This angle and this angle also, and this entire one. So how many angles are here? 3. U, X, V, V, X, W and U, X, W. Get it? Next, see here. D, O, C. Next, D, O, B. C, O, B. C, O, A. Right? Next, angle D, O, C. Then D, see, just 1 minute. D, O, C, C, O, B, then B, O, A. Yes, these three small, 1, 2, and these 3. Okay, 3 angles are there. Now next, D, O, B. Okay, then C, O, A. And the big one A, O, D or D, O, A. How many angles are here? 6 angles are here. Let's count again. See. D, O, C, C, O, B, B, O, A. These are the 3 angles. Next. D, O, B, C, O, A, O, D. Clear? Now next. Here. A, B, D, D, B, E, B, C, C, B, A. 4 angles. Now, A, B, E and C, B, D. Get it? How many angles are here? 6. Let's revise. Just 1 minute. Repeat. A, B, D, D, B, E, B, C, C, B, A. 4. Next. A, B, E, C, B, D. Clear? Next. Measures of angle. Now just by observing, that is, see here, 2 arms, the width of 2 arms. How wide these arms are depend upon the measures of angles. Okay, so see here which arms are here, AB and BC. Okay, so what is the width between them? Here PQ and QR. So what is the width between them? MN and NO are the rays, and what is the width between them? XY and YZ. What is the width between them? Okay, so which is the smallest angle here? By mere observation also we can tell. So which is the smallest? ABC. Okay, then which is the greater than ABC? PQR. Okay, now which is the next? MNO. Okay, then next XYZ. Okay, understand everyone? We have not measured the angles. By mere observation, we have seen which angle is greater and which angle is smaller. Okay, next. Now we have to solve exercise 7.2. List the following angles in order, size and starting from the smallest. So first of all we have to, by mere observation, tell which is the smallest or which is the greatest, or we have to write from smallest to greatest, that is ascending order, right na? What we have to write here? Ascending order. So let's see here. So which is the smallest angle? The smaller one, C and D. But if we compare C and D, so which is the smallest? D. So we have to write here first D. Then next C. What is the next here? A, B and E is here. So which is the next? E. Then compare A and B. So which is the greater? B is greater. So we have to write first A and then write B. Get it? So this is about the increasing order. Angle D, then angle C, then the angle E, and then angle A and angle B. Okay. Next. Measuring angle. So to measure the length of a line segment, we use ruler. Most of the time we use compass or divider also, but commonly we use the scale, or we can say ruler, to measure it. Okay, so different standard units are there. Fine. So we measure weight in kg, we measure volume in liters, right? So such like, if we want to measure in angle, if we want to measure angles in standard unit, then the standard unit of measuring angle is degree. What is the standard unit of measuring angle? Degree. The mathematical symbol for degree is, so it is small as 0. You can see here it is smaller one, just picture is blur, but if you can see in book, you can understand it is smaller 0. Okay, so this is the symbol of degree. Get it? Next, to measure an angle in degree, we use protractor. So most of the time you call it as a D, but it is not D. We have to say it is a protractor. What is it? Protractor. You will find it in your geometry box. Your geometry box has scale, two set squares and this protractor. Get it? The protractor has two scale on it. Now what this protractor indicates? So there are two scales here. It is a semicircular shape and it has two scales. Okay, in this picture we can't clearly see, but you can see in book. Otherwise, if you have protractor in your geometry box, then you can see it. Fine. You have to purchase it, okay, protractor. Otherwise you can take the complete geometry set. Don't bring the geometry box, only set is very cheap. Okay, in that set we get the scale, two set square and only protractor, these things. Okay, so it is necessary to measure the angle. Now in this chapter we uh, study to measure the angle. Okay, the protractor has two scales on it, an inner scale and outer scale of the numbers. Okay, so this is the inner scale which is inside and this is the outer scale. Okay, next, beginning from 0 and going up to 180. So definitely both scales start from 0 and ends to 180, and inner also start from 0 and ends to 180. One more thing, listen to me carefully. From 0 to 10, just like in scale, there are smaller